Hello Marinjo, happy birthday. Sana kang magsawa sa kakasunod sa'yo at kakakupan. Lagi kang mag-iingat sa trabaho mo. Happy birthday ulit. Enjoy your life.
Hello, Ate Jo. Gusto ko kitang batiin ang happiest birthday sa'yo. Enjoy your day, more candles to blow, and more birthdays to come. Wish you good health, and stay mabait and madaldal. And God bless you always po. Happy birthday, Ate Jo. God bless you.
Hi Ate Jo, happy birthday po sa'yo. More birthdays to come. And sana po always ka po mag-iingat dyan sa work mo. Sana po maging mabait ka po lagi. And more birthdays to come. God bless. Ingat.
Hi guys! Hi Ate Jo! Alam mo kung bakit ako nandito? Ate Jo, wala pa talaga akong dito. Tapos pinilit lang po ako nilang mag-video. By the way, Ate Jo, happy birthday! Enjoy your day, Ate Jo, and wish you a good health always. And keep safe always also. Malaman, ganun talaga. Yung gagawin talaga. Wala talaga akong message sa YouTube. Ganun yung talaga ito. Ang akin lang naman tiis yung pakasam talaga yung location. God bless always, Ate Jo. And ingat ka palagi kung saan ka man mapaparoon. At saka, Ate Jo, yung pakals talaga, Ate Jo. Talaga kung hindi ka po walang pakals. More birthdays to come and more blessings to come and more we have to come. Ay, joke. More lucky to come. Ay, di pala, joke. Again, happy birthday, Ate Jo. I love you.
Happy birthday, Jo. Wish you all the best sa birthday mo. Saka mag-ingat ka palagi. Alagaan mo yung sarili mo, family mo. Number one yung mga bata, yung anak mo. Tapos kalusugan mo, healthy. Dapat sa health, medyo okay ka na rin. Saka kung pabayaan sarili mo, lalo na sila nanay at tatay, mag-ingat ka palagi. Saka yun, more birthdays to come. Yan, saka I love you. Ingat ka always.
Hey, sup, Ate Jocelyn, happy birthday! Ang iyong kaarawan ay ngayon. Enjoy your day.
To my ride or die cousin who have been there for me always. Embrace your accepting me for who I am. Please don't know what I do. I appreciated you so much. I will forever cherish our siblings, our cousin relationship. You've been always my brother in this life of mine. Thank you so much for showing your love and support since day one. I'm forever grateful for you and I will never trade you for anything in this world. Please do take good care of yourself. Always know that I'm proud of you and I will be always rooting for you. You always have me in this lifetime. I love you forever. Bye-bye. Happy birthday again.
Baby Joey, happy birthday sa'yo. Ayan, binabati ka namin ni Baby Ace, na iyong inaanak ng happy birthday. More birthdays to come, baby. At saka, wish ko, lagi ko din pinag-pray kay God na yung tinatahak mong landas ay yung makakapagbigay talaga sa'yo ng kasiyahan. Ayan, baby, alam ko naman magiging matagumpay ka dahil alam ko napakasipag mo talaga at dedicated sa yung ginagawa. Wala na ako iba sasabihin pa kundi mag-enjoy ka lang, baby. Love you.
Happy birthday, Chewy. More birthdays to come and enjoy your day. Love always.
Ulit, happy birthday, Ate Joey. Gaya ng sabi ko kanina, yung wish ko is sana makatagpo ka na ng lalaking hindi ka iiwan, hindi ka sasaktan. Yun lang siguro. Siguro stay na lang sa kung anong ka ngayon. Alam naman namin mabait ka. Tupakin na lang. Sana tumagal pa yung pagsasama natin dito. Lalo na yung pagiging bashers natin. Yun. I love you, Ate Joey. My birthday to come.
Happy birthday, Miss Jo. I hope you have a great day today. And God bless you. And good luck sa career mo for this coming year and to the next years.
Happy birthday, Miss Jo. And wish ko good health and more birthdays to come. Salamat sa padala dito sa EDSI. And marami akong nakakilala mga kaibigan. Tulad mo, kaibigan na laging kaaway sa BR. Lagi nag-aaway sa BR. Lalaki, babae. And sana makahanap ka na ng bago. And then yung magpapasaya ng buhay mo. And sana maging maayos kayo. And then sana siya na habang buhay. And good luck. Good luck sa new life mo.
Ayan, happy birthday sa'yo, Mami Jo. And wish you all the best. Magpakabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Ayun lang. Enjoy your day. Hey, Ate Jo! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ate Jo! Enjoy your day! Ingat ka palagi! Thank you for being tagapayo sa PDC family. I love you so much, Ate Jo! Sana'y mamasok mo ako. Bye-bye, Ate Jo! Ingat ka palagi! I love you!
Happy birthday sa'yo. Wish ko good health, more boyfriend. Ay, joke lang. Sana maging healthy. Andito ako sa bukid namin sa farm. Yun. Tumitingin ako ng yun yung mga baka. Sana wag kang magbago. Maging mabait lang lagi. Sana makahanap ka na ng bagong jowa para sa'yo. Happy birthday sa'yo, baby Jo.
Sa nag-birthday mo, happy birthday sa'yo. Sana more birthdays to come. Alam ko, may galit ka man sa akin. Pero sana walain natin yung galit natin. At magkakaisa lang tayo dito sa bahay natin. Sana hindi ka na at sorry sa mga nasabi ko sa'yo. Ang mga nakaraang araw, sana walain natin yun. And happy birthday sa'yo. Sana masaya ka sa araw ng birthday mo.
Happy birthday, Ate Jo!
Happy birthday, Ate Jo. Yan, masasabi ko lang, enjoy your day, your life, and stay pretty and healthy every day. And stay masarap yon. And mag-ingat ka palagi. Love you.
Hi, Ate Jo. Happy birthday nga pala, Ate Jo. So yun, gumawa kayo ng maikling video lang para sa iyo bukas. May wish for you is maging mabuti lang yung kalusugan mo, okay na yun. Then bukas-bukasan mo na yung pagka-RC mo, andala mo na.
Hi Ate Jo, happy birthday. Ayun, wish you a good health and more birthdays to come. Ingat ka palagi. Yun lang. Happy birthday. God bless.
So, ayun. Hey, Ate Jo. Happy birthday, more birthdays to come, and enjoy your day. God bless you always. Sana hindi ka magbago, no? Kung ano yung pinapakita mong ugali sa amin, or kung ano yung pakikitungo mo, sana hindi yun magbago. So, life is too short. Just choose always to be happy. Love lots.